Hello everyone, my name is Arushi BR. Today I'm going to speak about Introduction to Civil Engineering. I'm from class Honda. Topic is Civil Engineering Discipline and Building Sciences, Types of Mortar. Introduction. Civil engineering is the professional practice of designing and developing infrastructure projects. This can be on huge scale such as development of nationwide transport systems or water supply networks, or on smaller scale such as the development of individual roads or buildings. The great thing about civil engineering in the real world is that it's an industry that perpetually adapts to the demands and desires of the society. In recent years, civil engineering has adapted to consider many contemporary environmental concerns, helping to address issues of pollution and scarce water supplies while considering the potential sustainable energy within the industry. Building material used in construction types and works. Bricks, cement and mortar, plain concrete, reinforced and pre-stressed concrete, structural steel, construction chemicals. Mortars. Mortar is a mixture of cement, sand and water. A building material made up of lime and cement mixed with sand and water that is spread between bricks or stone so as to hold them together when it hardens. Mortar is used to bind different building blocks like bricks, stones, etc. It can also add decorative pattern in a brick or stone masonry. Mortar is being used from dawn of the civilization. Types of mortar: cement mortar, lime mortar, surki mortar, gauge mortar, mud mortar, lime pozzolana mortar, aerated cement mortar, heavyweight mortar, lightweight mortar. Cement mortar. It is a mixture of cement, sand and water. Cement mortar composite has wide application in masonry work, plastering, repairing and damage, concrete patching or filling, rendering floor leveling and the development of precast products. The composite is composed of binder, sand, water and fibers with a maximum size of fine grain material of 2 mm. Cement mortar lining should be applied by spinning, mechanical placement, the pneumatic process and hand toweling. Lime mortar. Lime mortar or torching mortar is a masonry mortar composed of lime and an aggregate such as sand mixed with water. It is one of the oldest known types of mortar used. Lime mortar today is primarily used in the conservation of buildings originally built using it, but may be used as an alternative to ordinary Portland cement. It is made principally of lime, water and an aggregate such as sand. Portland cement has proven to be incompatible with lime mortar because it is harder, less flexible and impermeable. Surki mortar. Surki mortar is the powdered form of overburnt bricks or clay balls. Surki mortar can be prepared by mixing surki, fat lime and water in suitable proportion. Surki mortar can be prepared in two ways: surki plus fat lime plus water, fat lime plus surki plus water plus sand. It should be noted that surki is not chemically inert substance and hence it can be used as adulterants to mix with matrix as cement. Gauge mortar. Gauge or lime cement mortar is prepared by adding cement, sand and lime. Lower cement content in mortar leads to a reduction in workability, less cohesion, and will produce porous joints with a tendency for low frost resistance. The inclusion of lime in cement mortar helps rectify these deficiencies by increasing the water retentivity, workability, and bonding properties. In this way, early strength can also be achieved without the mature strength being too high. Mud mortar. Mud mortar is made by adding sand and clay in such proportion that when they mixed with water there should not be any cracks after drying. Stone should not be present in the mixture to avoid cracks on the walls in later. This mortar is cheap, less durable and is commonly used for the construction of cheap houses, temporary sheds for animals. Mud mortars have a rather low tensile strength and are subjected to shrinkage. Lime pozzolana mortar. It is a mixture of lime, pozzolana and sand and water. Materials such which enable lime mortars to set more rapidly include ash and brick dust. Known as pozzolanas after the volcanic additives used by Romans, these materials are widely found in the lime mortars used in old buildings and monuments. When conservation work is required, new mortars ought to match these mortars, not only to ensure continuity with the past but also to ensure that the new work is both visually and physically compatible with the old. Aerated cement mortar. Basically, it is a cement mortar in which entraining agent is added to increase plasticity and workability. Aerated lightweight concrete has excellent characters such as lightweight fluidity, high construction performance, and self-controlling, which can be utilized in various civil engineering works such as lightweight banking, shield filling, backfill grouting, void filling. Heavyweight mortar. Density of mortar is high. Heavy mortar is made from heavy quartz material. The heavy mortar consists of a bulk density of greater than 1500 kg per meter cube. Generally, heavy quartzes are used as fine aggregates in this type of mortars. Lightweight mortars. Lightweight mortar is the type of mortar which is prepared by mixing sawdust, rice husk, jute fibers, coils, asbestos fibers, etc. along with sand and lime or cement. If the mortar having bulk density of less than 15 kilonewton per meter cube, it is called as light mortar. Lightweight mortar is generally used in the soundproof and heatproof construction. Cinder mortar is a variety of lightweight mortars. Uses of mortars. Mortar is used between the joints of the bricks during the construction of wall. It is used to give a soft, even bed between different layers of brick or stone masonry for equal distribution of pressure over the bed. It is used in plastering works to hide the joints and to improve the appearance. Used in manufacture of precast pipes, plant pots, and precast water tanks. Used in the manufacture of repairing of cracks. It is used in for molding and ornamental purpose. Thank you.